Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a solid granny square, which can be compatible with sparkle and star granny squares as you can see here, or it can be compatible with the other granny squares that are available in my shops, or it can be compatible with any granny square you want. You can make this as big as you want or as small as you want. In addition to this video tutorial, I also have a written blog page up on my website if you would rather read the pattern versus watch a video, so I'll have that linked below. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Lion brand 24/7 cotton, which is a medium weight yarn. And with that yarn, I'll be using a 4mm crochet hook. To start off, let's make a magic circle, or alternatively, you can chain 5 and slip stitch into the first stitch. After making your circle, chain 3, which will count as your first double crochet. From there, you're going to work 2 more double crochets into the circle, and this will count as like the first side made. To create the corner, you will then chain 2. And then work 3 more double crochets into the circle, which will be the next side of your square. After that, chain 2 more again for your next corner. You'll then repeat the motion of adding 3 double crochets and then chain 2 more times. Once you have the 4 sides of your square, slip stitch into the top chain of your first stitch to join. Pull the tail to tighten the circle, and that is your first round complete. For round 2, you're going to start with chaining 3, which will count as your first double crochet again, and then you'll double crochet into the next 2 stitches to bring you to the corner. Once you reach the corner, you're going to be working your next set of stitches into that space. So into that space, you're going to work 2 double crochet, and then chain 2, and then 2 more double crochets to complete that corner. From there, you're going to double crochet into the next 3 stitches to bring you to the next corner space. Once you reach the corner space, you're going to again work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet to complete that corner. From here, you're going to repeat the process of double crocheting into the next 3 stitches, and then 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the corner space, and you'll repeat that 2 more times. Once your last corner is made, you're going to slip stitch into the top chain of your first stitch. And that is round 2 complete. Again, start with chain 3 to count as your first stitch, and then double crochet into the next 4 stitches to bring you to the corner. Work the corner the same way as you did in the previous round, so 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Then double crochet 7 across until the next corner space. Two double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet again into that corner space. Repeat the same process of double crocheting into the next 7 stitches, and then 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the corner, and you'll repeat that 2 more times. After the last corner is made, double crochet into the last 2 stitches and then slip stitch to join into that first stitch. Chain 3 to count as your first double crochet. And then you're going to double crochet into the next 6 stitches to bring you to the corner space. The corner will be the same as the previous round, so 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Double crochet 11 across to get to the next corner space. Work the corner the same again with the 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Repeat the process of double crochet 11 across, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the corner space 2 more times. After the final corner is made, double crochet into the final 4 stitches and then slip stitch to join into the first stitch. Now, if you want to keep making your square bigger, the process onward will basically be the same as the last few rounds. So after completing each round, you will gain 4 additional stitches on each side of the granny square from the corners. So continue making the granny square as large as you want by continuing to work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the corners, and then working into each stitch across for each side. But that's it for this tutorial, so I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope to see you in future tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and have a lovely day!